Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a trade breakdown analysis which I took on 26th of July. It was an intraday trade and it gave me a risk to reward ratio of more than 10.5. So yeah, let's go ahead. The premise of taking the trade, it was a long trade. Uh, when I opened the chart for HDFC AMC, the price was going down in these little swings. In this little swing. So I noticed that the price is going down and down, but suddenly, as we can see, towards the later half of 25th of July, the price tried to make an up move and crossed this particular previous lower high. You see, so as per my analysis, as per my trading strategy, which you might have been seen, if not seen, I will be posting the first lesson of that into my description of today's video. So once this lower high was broken, the trend was about to change. So I noticed that the stock has already created a new structure high here. So first pullback just after creating a new high is the sweet spot to take a long trade, and it is applicable for the short trade as well. So I saw that this is the area where buyers are in control. So I took my Fibonacci tool on 15-minute chart and just used something like this. Okay. So the price was just coming here. You see, just came into my zone. I had an alert somewhere around 18:55, something like that. And when the alert was triggered, I opened this chart at once, drilled down to further lower time frame, and saw that the price is slowing down. Look, if we are going to open a long trade on a retracement, we need to make sure that the price is slowing down on a retracement move, right? That the buyers are getting uphand and the sellers are getting consumed over here. As you can see, the price when it was moving here, it was ferocious. When it moved up, buyers were less. But once the price reached this 61.8 retracement area, the selling candles were getting small and small, small and small. You see, getting a sense that the sellers are getting overpowered in this area. All right. So, and it gave a clear indication after breaking this high. You see, on a very lower time frame, if you see, let me remove this for better understanding. If you see, we have created a new structure high over here. Once this 1852.65 high was broken, it gave a new structure high here. On a 15-minute time frame, this new high was created, and further on a 3-minute chart, this high was created. So 15-minute and 3-minute were getting aligned in the same manner, you see. So what I did was, as per the strategy which I follow, and I will be sharing it completely free on my YouTube channel. So when I open my retracement tools to measure this move, the 61.8 retracement was coming exactly at this point. So I got an entry around 1853 somewhere here, or 1850.85, as I remember. Yeah, it was something like this. And I placed my stop loss just below the smaller swing low. You see, just try to understand. If this particular low is broken, right? If this particular low is broken, my entire premise for going long is incorrect. You see? So this much loss I was agreed to take. I was happy taking this much of, you know, this much of stop loss, which comes out to be roughly 2.7. But I was seeing that the potential for this long trade is very much high. If you go further to the 15-minute chart, you can see that this particular swing on the 15-minute chart is giving a very high target. Generally, as you might have seen in my previous videos, I keep a target of 127 extension, sorry, 127 extension of the previous swing which we are following. So this is my swing. This is my entire swing. I'm following this retracement and my target lies somewhere here. You see? So we'll see how much was the RNR for this trade. Okay, all right. So once I opened this, it moved very quickly and I was out around 79.2, roughly somewhere around that. You see, this was my target and it was done very quickly. If we remove this extension tool, you'll see this was a very nice trade. And the people who are having doubt over high R&R trades can learn something from here, right? The risk reward was more than 10. You see, 10 plus R&R. What exactly means 10 plus R&R? So if you see, when you take a trade which is giving you a risk to reward ratio of more than 10 plus, that means if your risk is constant, you are free to lose 10 trades following that. After losing even 10 trades following that 10 plus reward trade, you won't be in loss. You will be just around break even. So one trade will be, enough to cover all your 10 losses. So this is the power of high risk to reward trades. You see? So this trade which I took was a really awesome trade, and in fact after this trade was completed it was giving just another trade on the same trading setup. You see? If anybody who would have entered around 61.8 here, right? Anybody who would have entered here placing a stop loss somewhere, if the stop loss somewhere here as well to the initial swing, then also the risk to reward was quite handsome. Let me show you. So if you had opened your trade somewhere around here, put the stop loss somewhere around here, then still you are getting a reward of 2.5, which is exactly what we want in trading, just to be profitable. You see, it was moving very nicely to the upside. So these are the trades which make you profitable as a trader and make you successful. So these kind of trades you won't be finding daily. You see, so you need patience. You need an eye of a sniper. You need to be a lazy crocodile who is just sleeping in pond to get his prey, right? Just to catch his prey. You need to be patient. You need to have some, resilience, sitting along doing nothing and getting these kind of quality trades, right? So these are the trades which make most out of your trading capital, which will be multiplying your trading capital and account. So these trades won't be popping up every now and then. These will require patience, and patience is something which is in very less quantity nowadays. Okay, all right. So this is it, guys. If you like my content, please do share, like, subscribe. If you have any kind of confusion over my content or my strategy or my, you know, target placement, entry, exits, whatever, do comment in the video. I'll be replying it to you. This is it for now. Thank you and happy trading.